Okay, this is what we're looking like. I pushed this up here for now. We got the TV on the wall. This is the old Backsplash. Okay, so I don't know if you can even see me, but I just want to kind of show what these pieces are. So these silver pieces are actually metal. So they're hollow in the back and they're not like coming off easy. It's on a mesh backing. There's tons of mortar back there, but these are hollow. So this is going to be a massive pain in the ass. I need a timeout. So I tried to take the drywall out. I'm trying to figure out the best way to do this. I think it's just taking off the backsplash and then cutting off the drywall. I don't think this is gonna be just an easy demo, but I decided that I'm gonna take my time and do it as clean as possible. This way, at the end of the day, if I wanna put my stove back, I can just drag it over, plug it in, and at least, you know, I have the island to cook on. So this is where I'm at. I'm already so exhausted. This is a big job. So, Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 11:01 a.m.
Okay, so it's already 11. I've been doing this for 2 hours. Not the full demo, just like everything for 2 hours. So probably gonna order lunch soon. But yeah. This is where we are. Okay, so all the tile is off, and now we have to work on getting the drywall off, and I'm gonna vacuum out all the old insulation. This is gonna be interesting because I don't really know how I'm gonna do this, but I've made so many holes and there's no way that I can even this out. So, here we go. Good morning. It is noon. Well, so good afternoon. I'm talking lowly because my husband's still sleeping. But today is day 2. I just got home from Home Depot to get all of the rest of the supplies. So right now we are going to start on the electric. I did go ahead and shut the power off. I'm not going to tell you how I'm doing this because I'm not an electrician and I'm not trying to get sued. But I do know what I'm doing, so let's get started. Okay, not sure when I did my last update, but this is where we're at. I finished some minor electrical details today. I got all that situated. I did the insulation and the drywall yesterday, and then I just finished doing some joint compound on all of the edges. So all the seams, I did like a fiberglass flat, oh my god, I can't even talk. Fiberglass mesh strip. It's like drywall tape, but it's fiberglass. You know, I've always used that. But so I did that on other joints, but I do need to come back and do a second coat on certain areas that like were a little bit messy, like at the top right there, or had a big gap. So I'm gonna come in and fix all that. And then after I do that, I'm going to do I don't know if I have to do a primer with the Mussel Bound, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Just anywhere where I used the, oh my god, it honestly, like words are escaping me. Anywhere where I used the joint compound. I don't really need to go all the way up here, but I think I'm just gonna prime this area anyway. It's completely hidden by the microwave, but I think I'm just gonna prime that whole area. Yeah, so this is where we're at. It looks really good. It's starting to feel normal again. If I honestly slapped a coat of paint on there, it would look brand spanking new, but I don't need to do that. So anyways, I'm just really happy. So these are the 2 outlets that are new. I don't quite have this one in the wall all the way. Having a little difficulty with it actually, but these are the 2 new ones, and you know, they are working, they're on. It's gonna be so incredible. It's really hard to tell, but this corner's super, super, super deep. If I'm standing there and I reach all the way out, I can't even touch the corner. I know that's not saying much because I'm only 5 feet tall, but anywho, that's where we're at. Right, Zorro? Oh, okay. Okay, here's where we're at. Kitchen's a mess. It's actually not that bad. So, this is where I'm at so far. I have a couple tiles, like this one, these two, that one, these two that are currently baking in the oven at 200, and I'm just kind of like winging the time. The reason that they're baking is because when the tiles get wet, the Mussel Bound, it will not stick. So it literally says in the instructions, if you're having sticking issues, go ahead and bake it or use a hairdryer. Baking is just gonna be way easier and less noisy, and then I can do other things. But I'm kind of at a standstill now, although I could start going this way. But I'm really hungry, so I think I'm gonna have a snack and then we'll come back to it. But these are turning out really well. I mean, you could see like that's how that's gonna look, and it looks real nice. So I'm very pleased. And the top doesn't look too bad either. That's all gonna get grout and caulked anyway. So very, 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 very pleased. And this tile is pretty much almost center to the stove, which for my OCD gives me great pleasure. Didn't mean for it to work out that way, but it just did. So yeah, that's where we're at. Hi. So it's months later and I realize I never ended this video. I'm just editing now, so I guess I'll show you the final result. So excited. I love how this turned out. I'm still in love with this. And I have a bunch more projects in this kitchen to get it where I want to be, but for now, this is where the backsplash is. There's the new Keurig. It's black stainless and just matches all of our appliances, so it's kind of why I went with it. And then our new toaster oven. You have to put water in it at the top there. It's kind of bougie. I love it. It's like an off-white, so it goes really well with everything in here. But I hope you like this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment below. And yeah. Bye, guys.